Hey everybody, I'm Kevin from Big Oaf's Collectible Shop on eBay. I've got a box of pops here we ordered, some new merchandise that we're going to be adding to the store. So make sure you pop by and check it all out. Let's see what's in the box. What do we have here? Alright, so there's Carnage, She-Hulk, Mantis, and she's got a little scratch on her face. We'll have to try to clean that one up. And she don't want to stand. Hopefully there's a stand in there. There's Luke Cage. The Taskmaster, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm a lot better at Marvel than I am at Star Wars. Silver Surfer. I don't know that one. If you know who that is, comment below. There's the Hobgoblin. War Machine. Not sure who that is. Don't know her. Looks like she needs a stand. I think this is the stand for Hobgoblin. Maybe? No? I'm not sure what that stand goes to. Maybe it'll be something else in here. I think that's Blue Beetle. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's head popped off there. That's not a good sign. That's Spot from A Good Dinosaur. There's Matt Murdock. I don't know who that is. Reverse Flash. Booster Gold. Jay Garrick. There's Archangel. This is from He-Man, I think. If you know who that is, comment below. There's still some more in here. What else we got? We have, there's Quicksilver. Spider-Gwen. Uh-oh. They're like dominoes. It's Captain Marvel. And she doesn't want to stand up either. I got a bunch of stands here. I guess they were all on the bottom of the box. I'm not sure who that is. I think it's something from Cartoon Network. If you know who that is, comment below. There's Blade. I don't know that one. If you know who it is, comment below. There's a white looking Carnage, Venom guy, Anti-Venom maybe, something like that. We got a Daredevil. There's the Green Goblin. Tiny little cat or squirrel. Oh, do we have no? I was thinking maybe we had Squirrel Girl, and there would be a squirrel to go with her, but it doesn't look that way. I should remember that. I watched Flash regularly, but I can't remember who that is. Comment below if you know who it is. And last but not least, we've got Iron Man. So a lot of cool pops there. Make sure you swing by the store, pop in, check these out. All of them will be going up for sale real soon here. Thanks for